Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can set up Autopay in QuickBooks Online to pay bills automatically. So the first thing that you will have to do is of course make sure that you already have your QuickBooks plan so that you will be able to access all of its features and to actually log into your account. So after logging in, you will go to your expenses fee option. So it is right here on your left panel, so you will just have to click that, and then after clicking that you will just have to select vendors and then click vendor again, and then after that you will see this. So what you will have to do is click set up auto pay, and then you will just have to enter the payment method and amount, and then you will choose the frequency, which is either weekly, monthly, or custom. So it really depends on you. Then you will just have to click save, and then QuickBooks will automatically process payments on the scheduled dates. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.